For hundreds of thousands of years, Neanderthals dominated the landscapes of Europe and parts of Asia. These ancient humans, our closest evolutionary relatives, thrived across Eurasia, adapting to changing environments and developing complex tools and social structures. Yet around 40,000 years ago, they vanished completely, leaving behind only fossils and one of anthropology's greatest mysteries. But new research from Binghamton University suggests that Neanderthals faced a critical challenge long before their final disappearance, a devastating population collapse that occurred approximately 110,000 years ago. Professor Rolf Quam and graduate student Brian Keeling made this discovery by examining a surprising part of the Neanderthal anatomy, the semicircular canals of the inner ear. These tiny, fluid-filled structures that help with balance might seem like an unusual focus, but they hold crucial clues about Neanderthal history. The development of the inner ear structures is known to be under very tight genetic control, explains Professor Quam. This makes them excellent indicators of genetic diversity and population changes. The research team analyzed fossils from two key sites, Atapuerca in Spain and Krapina in Croatia, comparing them with specimens from across Europe and Western Asia. What they found was revealing early Neanderthals displayed much greater variation in their semicircular canal structures than later Neanderthals did. This reduction in diversity points directly to what scientists call a population bottleneck, a dramatic decrease in population size that results in reduced genetic variation. When a population suddenly shrinks, many genetic variants are lost forever, leaving survivors with less genetic diversity to pass on to future generations. Alessandro Urtuoli, the lead author of the study, notes, "We were surprised to find that the pre-Neanderthals from the Cima de los Huesos exhibited a level of morphological diversity similar to that of the early Neanderthals from Krapina." This suggests that Neanderthals maintained healthy genetic diversity for much of their existence, until something catastrophic happened around 110,000 years ago. What could have caused such a dramatic population decline? The researchers suggest several possibilities: climate change leading to food scarcity, environmental pressures, or perhaps competition with other human species. The timing roughly coincides with a period of significant climate fluctuation in Europe. This bottleneck may have had lasting consequences. With reduced genetic diversity, Neanderthal populations would have been less adaptable to new challenges. This genetic inflexibility might have contributed to their ultimate extinction tens of thousands of years later, when they faced competition from modern humans and further climate changes. The mystery of the Neanderthal disappearance continues to fascinate scientists. New DNA analysis techniques have revealed that many humans today carry small amounts of Neanderthal DNA, evidence of interbreeding between our species. But these genetic remnants are all that remain of a once thriving human species. As Brian Keeling expressed, it is exciting to be included in this research project, which relies on some of the latest cutting-edge methodologies in our field. Each new discovery, each fossil examined with innovative techniques, brings us closer to understanding the complex story of our ancient relatives. The study of these inner ear structures offers a unique window into Neanderthal history, revealing not just how they lived, but potentially why they disappeared. And in understanding their story, we gain invaluable insights into our own evolutionary journey and the fragility of human existence. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.